What was your impression of the United States on your first arrival?
Well, it was very interesting. We came up, the sound, which one is that now? It's not, it's the one that ends up in Philadelphia. And as we were coming up, we noticed that as buildings were getting taller, in other words, getting more into the urban areas, the tall buildings had flagpoles and flags on them, American flags, which we thought very bizarre, because in Europe, the only places that had flags were official government buildings or schools, but no other buildings. So we thought, well, it's an interesting flag. Okay, that sounds good. When we arrived, we had a bunch of photographers taking our pictures as though we were celebrities. So again, we thought, well, we're something special here. I didn't really get to, I mean, I was thrilled to be in America, and I didn't really get to see the city until I moved in with my aunt and uncle. And of course, the New York skyline with all the skyscrapers and the lights and so on, very impressive. One thing I do remember is that every so often there would be an airplane flying, usually small ones, but it could be bigger ones too. And I'd look up, and of course, they didn't have the swastika on them. They were American planes, which I realized that I am now in a friendly area. I enjoyed living in the city. I enjoyed going to school. I was very impressed with everything.